place of my trouble, I see joy.
And then you know what? There's some other witnesses too. We heard about it a little bit. Peter, hallelujah. Peter, who said to the Lord, if everybody forsakes you, I'll never forsake you. And the Lord said, Peter, you better watch what you're saying. And when Peter got around that little girl, and she said, hey, wasn't you one of them? He said, what you talking about? You were one of them, those disciple guys. He said, no. And then he got after some more. And he said, I told you I don't know the man. And then he began to curse. So somebody said he cursed, lied, and denied. And when he did that, the rooster crowed. And he remembered the Lord, what he had told him, and he wept bitterly. But what did the Lord say when he rose from the dead? Go tell my disciples and who? And Peter, that I'm alive. Hallelujah. So restoration, the resurrection means you can be restored. Hallelujah. You can be restored with your faith in God. You can be restored and forgiven because Jesus rose, and because he got up, he said, even though you messed up, you can get up too. Hallelujah. Anybody want to get up? Anybody want to get up out that depression? Hallelujah. Anybody want to get up out them problems you're having? Hallelujah. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, I can get up. Hallelujah.
The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength, my strength.